That's what counts.
That's what counts. And so this morning when I got up, I was like, oh, I missed a couple days and my skin was not in its usual state.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, before I leave out the house today, I'm just going to go ahead and do a whole routine to kind of get back on track from, not taking care of it for 2 nights.
Mm-hmm.
And so this morning when I got up, I did a double cleanse with, first I did the oil cleanse, which was really refreshing, and it has like a lemon scent. Mm-hmm. And I double cleansed my neck, my décolleté, and I did that for about 10 minutes. And it was like, it woke me up.
Right.
And it also promoted lymphatic drainage because I've been suffering from allergies.
Right.
It's
that
once you get a
season.
certain age,
Mm-hmm.
living around all these trees in DC, you don't really know how it affects your sinuses.
Right.
Until you get a little older. So I did a double cleanse and then I did a gentle cleanser. And that felt wonderful. And after I did that, I started to see a glow. Mm-hmm. And I was like, okay, girl, now let's go ahead on and do a little exfoliation. And I used like a jelly type exfoliant, which was the lymphatic drainage continued. Mm-hmm. And my nose started running. I was like, what in the world? And when I finished that, I took a rest and just let my skin kind of take it all in.
Right, soak up all those nutrients.
Yes, and then I did it's a pore-refining mask, and that felt wonderful.
Okay. And then what you do?
I let that stay on for about 20 minutes, and folded some clothes. Do usual Saturday thing.
That's right.
And then I rinsed that off, and I put a Deep Glow serum on, and I let that dry, and the glow started glowing. It looked like I had a radiance. My skin started to radiate, and I was satisfied, and I was like, okay, now you have to stay on the wagon if you want to see the results that
right.